Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to consist of this month's Boxycharm box, which is the February box. So if you guys want to see what I got in this month's Boxycharm box, then just keep on watching. So I haven't been recording the past couple Boxycharm boxes because I just feel like they're pretty boring. I don't know. I like the products obviously, but I'm not in love with the products basically enough to show you guys. So I basically can say that the last couple boxes weren't pretty much worth it. I mean, last month's box I got a primer. Let me pull that out. I got a Pores No More Luminizer Primer from Dr. Brandt, and this was pretty much the only thing I really liked out of last month's box. That's why I was like, I don't think I should even really record it. But this month's box, I got a lot more items that I did fall in love with, so I wanted to show you guys what I got. For some reason, to me, the boxes feel like they keep getting smaller every month. I don't know why, but the layout of the box is exactly the same as every other one. It's just smaller and keeps getting smaller. This month's theme is Galaxy Glow, and this is the card right here. So each month you do get a theme. On the back side, it shows you the products that you do receive each month and the price and kind of how you can use them. So I already opened this box and kind of looked at all the items I got and kind of played with them already. Not on my face, but just, you know, opened them and taken them out of the packaging and stuff. So one of the items I did get was this Ofra palette, a magnetic palette. And then I got an Ofra blush, which is this one right here. I just put my Morphe Breakfast at Tiffany's eyeshadow on this little palette. So the palette from Ofra is $19 and the blush is $12, so that itself is already worth more than the box that you purchase it for. So I'm really excited to use this blush and to get some use with this palette and buy more single eyeshadows or any other things that can be magnetic and put onto this palette and start using this baby up. So the next product I did receive is this Pure the Complexion Authority X-Faux Lip Plumping Exfoliator. That's a lot to fucking say, but it's basically like a lip crown. It is clear and it has like sugars in it already, so when you're putting it on, it's kind of like an exfoliator or a lip scrub in one. So I like this, and this retails for $17, so I'm actually excited about this. I did use it the day I got it and I like it. The sugar is super sweet, just to let you guys know. So the next thing I have is this Cover FX Shimmer Veil. I open it up and at the bottom of it, it says it is in the shade Amethyst. I don't really think I'm going to use this that much. I like that it is from Cover FX, which is a really high-end and kind of expensive brand. So this you basically use anywhere on your face, like your eyes, as a highlight, as a blush. It's like a multi-use product, and this is $28 for the freaking tiny size that it is. But okay. The next items come together as a 3-pack, which is a Crown 3-piece brush trio. And to me, they look like Wet n Wild brushes, honestly. It's the pink and white kind of brush hairs, the bristles. And then they even have the indent on the brushes, just like the Wet n Wild one. So I'm going to take one out of the packaging and kind of just show you how similar they are. Like, I'm not even kidding about this. I feel like the Crown brushes are a little more white, like the handle, but literally the bristles are pink and white, and this one's a little bit dirty. I have washed it, but you can see that it is a little dirty because I have used it with concealer and stuff, and that kind of stains it. But literally the bristles are the same exact colors, and then at the bottom the logo is in the same exact spot, and then there's a little indent on the brush. Hopefully you guys can see that. And both brushes have them, but I feel like Wet n Wild came out with these brushes before Crown, so I feel like Crown is kind of copying them. But this brush trio set is $29.99. I don't really think it's worth it because it looks like they're copying Wet n Wild, and Wet n Wild brushes are around $1 to $2 a piece. So $30 for 3 brushes, I feel like definitely it isn't worth it. The last item is a pencil eyeliner, and it is by the brand Vintage, and that's created by Jessica Liebskin, I believe. I'm not sure. It's a smoky eye pencil in the color Jet Black. Honestly, this looks exactly like my e.l.f. eyeliner brush, and I don't use that because I don't really like pencil eyeliner brushes. Plus, I don't really put eyeliner on in my inner waterline because used to do black eyeliner almost every single day on that spot. I used to get styes all the time, so I just kind of figured it was kind of my eye pencils that I was using. I would switch them up and I still got styes every time. I would kind of do that like once a month, and that's like really bad. So I just stopped using them altogether, and I rarely ever get a style now. Hopefully, knock on wood, I still don't get one. But that eyeliner is $21, and again, I don't think that's worth it. These boxes lately have kind of been getting a little shitty, but it still pretty much is worth it because the items that I did like out of this box, if I did buy them individually, it would cost way more than what I did pay for this box, basically, because I did pay $21, and the 3 products that I liked are way over that price put together. So that basically is this month's Boxycharm box. I kind of liked it, kind of didn't, because there was about 3 products that I didn't like, so it's like a 50-50, so I would say an F, I guess, because that is basically the rating, because I like 50% of it. If you guys like not really spending a lot of money each month on makeup, but still you would want to receive makeup for an affordable, cheap price, then I do believe Boxycharm is the way to go. So if you guys do want to sign up, I will have a link down below, and you guys can go get some makeup for only $21. Okay, so that is it for this video. If you guys did like this video, then please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more Korean videos. I hope you guys have a wonderful day or night wherever you guys are. Bye.